last season on AMC's The Walking Dead.
Beats that are hard, yeah, I'm on that. Teeth that are sharp, sink into. We set apart from them too. Speak from the heart, no pencil. Free, no charge, these don't cost. Ain't there shark week, made a dog leak from another star fleet. Got a problem called Keith. Yeah, more ears, and my people say 4 more years. Why they call me El Presidente? I went this way, let me demonstrate. I've been this way since I was just a presidential candidate. I let my pen display, hand style. Back in the day, we used to spray the motherfucking cans out. Thinking that I can't now, then I smile. Ain't no question, just keep your hands down. I laugh out loud, out loud. Fucking with you. Fucking with you. I ain't got no time 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 fucking with you.
I'm fine.
Fucking with you.
Why you just standing there? We gotta save him.
There's something in there.
I ain't got no time fucking with you. 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 Put your hands up, now get the bars up. With the lab, raise some bars up. You should applaud us. Now the other one, but that's sawdust. When I start up, put them out like cigar butts. Yeah, that's hard luck. Tough love, cut from another cloth. Thread count unheard of in a trap like a dead mouse murder. Play the shit is shorter, make her head bounce. Shorty already got her legs stretched out. But I ain't fucking with you, really. I ain't really out there fucking with you. I'm trying to stack bread like I'm standing on my last leg. Question that you can't ask the dead, nigga, that's dead. No romance, no romance. Mad in the fighting Irish. Logo stance, girl do the Miley Cyrus. White bitch dance is hopeless, man. Better get focused, man. I'm on my grown shit. Fucking with you.